everybody, and welcome to Jean-Baptiste.
Thank you, Arthur.
Now it's your 10 questions?
Yes.
For 10 ringgit.
10 ringgit,
Stay
yes.
focused. Okay, stay focused. I'm a disease.
Okay.
Born in Hong Kong in 1997.
Yes.
I touch many people
Yes.
and cause case of death.
Okay.
Who I am.
I am disease.
10 seconds. 10 ringgit.
Is it bird flu?
Yeah! Nice! Cheers! Excuse me, sir.
What's mean bird flu?
Bird flu are viruses that infect birds and make them ill. In 2013, there have been 633 confirmed cases of human infection with the avian influenza A H5N1 virus strain, with 377 cases resulted in death.
Hello, Jean-Baptiste.
Hello, Arthur.
Give me 5.
No, man. There is bird flu.
We can be infected by bird flu?
Bird flu virus, a serious disease with mortal effects. Poultry infected can transmit to human the virus mainly by respiratory contacts. Moreover, the virus grows up with the transmission from poultry to poultry. Human transmission is almost always impossible, but some cases have reported virus mutation upgrading the transmission.
What's the main actor say?
Oh, the company is real.
Welcome in one of our farm, in countryside, clean, with lot of space for chicken. As you see, I'm not wearing a suit, I work here. Their problem are my problem. I treat them with respect. I obey to all the sanitary rules in order to give you the best quality and security.
According to the World Health Organization, influenza viruses are inactivated by temperatures above 70 degrees Celsius. Besides that, our company also provides consistent safety and quality label to guarantee that our product is safe.
Now you can be reassured our product is definitely the best. Our company hope you to enjoy your meal.
Arthur!
What's happened?
Are you afraid about eating poultry?
Of course not, my love. And you?
No, I'm not, my love.
And you?
Did I disappoint you?